Okay, everybody. Okay, now I've done something slightly the same like the other two. I had the A266 with the with the weather, with the API weather, and then I did the ESP32, and now I've done the Pico with the LCD. But the Pico was a bit difficult because the Arduino IDE and Pico with LCD 1602 didn't gel. So I had to, eventually I found the coding, and I'll show you. I use OpenWeather, which is, it's not bad. You just need an API key to have it online. Here we are. It won't work unless you put this. When you initialize the LCD, you're going to need to put a wire. In my case, I put it on GPIO 4 and SDA and GPIO 5. SCL. Okay, so, and those you have to put the number of the board, not the GPIO. So 4 is 6 and 5 is 7. Board pin number on the Pico. And you have to put it before wire begin. And this one, when you do ICD begin, you got to put 16.2. But if you put 16.02, with this one, it does work. Otherwise, it had a huge problem to get it to go. It wasn't like the other one. So, okay, this, it's raining today. So it's light rain, Cape Town. It's 11:12. That's the temperature here. It's like winter. It's a little bit darker. Obviously, there is a potentiometer at the back that you can adjust. I like a bit darker because it's it's clear. Okay, so there it is. You have live weather update. With LCD and a Pico, Raspberry Pico, which is, that's very nice. Any case, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good Monday.